Hello students, today we are going to see about methods in Python. We have three types of methods in Python. They are instance methods, static methods and class methods. So first is instance method. Instance methods are the methods that we declare inside a class and which are not predefined. And whenever we use an instance method, its first parameter should be a self parameter. And instance method will not use any decorator. So this is one small example. So in this, my class and my class name is in example. This is a constructor. Whether we have a constructor or a user defined function, we have to use the first parameter as a self. So in the constructor, I'm going to print hello and I'm going to initialize name to champion. Next, this is my user defined function, or this function is also known as instance function. So I said its first parameter should be self and it will not have any decorator. So what is this decorator? You will understand in the next examples. So in this, I'm going to write some more data where I want to print some message kind of thing. And as we have seen in the previous videos, about self, if we use something as self.name, then we can use that inside any function or inside any method of this class in example. Next, this is the line where I am going to create object. So DE is my object and this is the class name. This is how I am going to create the object. By using the object of this class only, I'll be able to access the attributes and the methods of this class. And fun is a method that belongs to this class. So I'm going to use DE object of this class and I'm going to access this. So this is how we write object name dot the function name, the method name. So when we run this program, we'll get the output like this. This is the first line. This line is executed automatically as soon as object is created because we have put hello inside constructor. So as soon as object is created, hello will get printed. Then next is the lines that are there in the instance method, which are these two lines, and in the place of self.name, it will be printed. It will be substituted as champion. The next is a static method. So in a static method, we are going to use inside a class, but if you want to access this, then no need of creating any object or instance. So this static method do not use self as a parameter, and static methods use a decorator which is like this @ symbol at the starting, and we have to write this as a static method. Now how is that we are going to use static method without creation of object is this example. So in this, my class name is st example. I am using a constructor. I have put something to print on the monitor. Then this line indicates decorator. This is how we are going to write decorator for a static method. Then this is my function user defined. So I'm now indicating this method as a static method. So now what happens is, if I want to access this method, no need of creating object for this class and use that object to access this method. Instead, I can write the class name dot that static method name, so that I'll get the output like this. Since I did not create any object, hello will not be printed. So we know that whenever object is created, constructor is invoked automatically since we did not create any object. So you can see in the output hello is not printed. The next kind of method is a class method. So in class method, self argument is not used. Then they use a special parameter known as the CLS. We use class method to call static methods. These use a decorator which is known as @ class method decorator. We'll see one example. So this is the one. Here my class name is CL example. So this is a constructor and I have put hello here to be printed as soon as I create object for the class CL example. Then this is my class method, how do the system know whether this is class method or not is by seeing this decorator. I have to write decorator like this at the rate symbol, and I am writing class method. Then next I'm going to write a function. You can see here it is no self parameter. Instead class method use a parameter known as CLS. Now by using CLS I'm going to call second function which is fun2. What is this second function? Fun2 is a static method. How can we say this is a static method? Means by seeing this decorator at the rate symbol, static method indicates that function2 is a static method. So we have seen previously class method is used, can call static methods. So here I have written function2. That means function2 is a static method and this is called inside class method. Now how the program execution goes is, here I'm going to create an object for this. My object name is D. This is user defined. You can write anything as object name, but it should start with an alphabet. So after the creation of object, what happens is I'm calling the function fun1, which is a class method. So now what happens is, since we have created object, constructor will be invoked automatically. Then fun method is fun1 is called. In this I'm printing this one. Then in the same body of fun1 I'm going to call fun2. So what is there in the fun2 is hello, and with some mark here, exclamatory mark. Now when you see the output, you can see hello is printed. This message is what present in the constructor. I'm a good student. This is a message that is present in fun1, and hello with the exclamatory mark is the thing that is present in fun2. So this is how a class method are going to get executed. So that's all for about methods in Python. Thank you.